All this is trash, y'all. All of this was in there somehow. Just trash. Some old pencils and stuff. It's just trash. So, hi friends! Guess what? It's Vlogmas time! Y'all, I am doing Vlogmas this year, but this year, instead of doing just like a daily day in the life every single day, I am doing 25 days of decluttering, 25 days of cleaning, just getting things out of our house. I kind of did this last year where I did a lot of clean with me's for Vlogmas last year, and that seemed really helpful for me personally, because I know that my decluttering journey, it's like never ending. It just has to be a part of my routine and cycle to just declutter. I don't know why I wait till the end of the year to do it, but anyway, I'm a work in progress. But you are going to get 25 days of video every day of me decluttering some portion of my home. Mostly I'm gonna be focusing on the kitchen. There's so much that I need to declutter in there. The girls in their new rooms, we got their rooms recently painted and they'll be moving into their new rooms. We have a lot of decluttering and cleaning to do in there. And so I'm just really excited, y'all. Hopefully this will motivate you. It'll help me be accountable and just to get the ball moving on some of these projects that we have going around our house. I'm so excited for you to be a part of this journey with me. You guys should do it with me. If there's anything in your home that you need to declutter or clean, do it with me. We could do it together. Stream me on your television and we can declutter the area together. I know one thing, my husband and I watched the Minimalist documentary on Netflix, and I'm the furthest thing away from a minimalist for sure. But it was inspiring to just get rid of some of the stuff, because clutter does affect us. And for me, it does affect me, and I feel triggered when things are cluttered. And even if it's organized clutter, it's still kind of triggering for me. So I'm trying to just get rid of some things to just have it be simple, where if everything can just have a place, then that's my happy spot, you know? So I'm so excited for you guys to be here with me. The first thing we're gonna tackle today is the junk drawer in the kitchen. All right, up first, this drawer right here. It needs a lot of loving, so let's get to it. Okay, so my goal is everything that I want to keep in this junk drawer needs to fit in here. If it doesn't fit in here, then guess what? It needs to be thrown away. It's not important enough. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Ta-da! It looks so nice. Now, the one thing I need to get is some like putty to put underneath this, or that sticky stuff, so that this doesn't move. Because I find when this moves and people think there's room here, that's when it gets junky. So I do have a few notepads and the girls' stickers with their names on them. And this is everything here. So I'm really happy, but I feel like the true judge of if this is a successful declutter is how much am I actually getting out of the house? Throwing the trash, donating, whatever I want to do, because I find in the past that sometimes I will just put the stuff someplace else, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So if I'm not getting out of the house, it's still a fail. You know what I mean? It's just kind of like putting it someplace else to junk up. So every video I'm going to show how much I got rid of. So all this is trash, y'all. All of this was in there somehow. Just trash. Ooh. Some old pencils and stuff. It's just trash. So this is out of the house. I find this to be successful. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this inspired you to declutter something in your house. Let's just get through all the different projects that we need to get done before the end of the year so we could start 2023 off where we want to be. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.